is Melanie. Thank you so much for clicking on my channel and hanging out with me. Today I'm in Mexico. It's about 8:30 a.m. and I just kind of wanted to give you guys a little tour before we start our day here. So this is the first room. It just has like a bed and some wires. Then here's the bathroom. Look at this bathroom. It is so gorgeous. There. And the shower with the sink. But yeah, this is the shower. And we're gonna go down the long hallway. And I just took a shower too. Just turning off the lights. Okay. Here's the hallway. Here is another room. This is one bed. Some TVs. And this is the room that we're staying at, right here. Here's a dresser, a little nightstand. This is the bed. Our clothes are right here, already messy. My Gorilla Pod, and yeah, some fans, all my chargers. And the best one of all is this view. So that's just a little upstairs room tour, and I think we're gonna get some breakfast and start our day. Let's go, let's go.
Like to use my finger. I'm just gonna slurp it now. Oh, squishy.
next day. I stopped vlogging because we just came back home and relaxed, had some carne asada, and was just chilling. But I just wanted to end the video and show you guys what I got. And also too, I didn't finish showing the place because we had to go, and I was like, ooh, I'll just show them later. So this is the first. I'm gonna show you guys the rest of the house. So this is another room right here. So the last clip was you guys going downstairs. Well, this is the other little section that they have. So here is one room. Yeah, this is the room. And it's pretty nice to stay here. That's it. Then here comes another room. And it seems like it's mostly for like storage. So I guess this is like where they have their extra belongings. So I really haven't been in this room much, to be honest. So, and then another bathroom, of course. I love this bathroom. The bathroom colors. Look at this pretty green color. It's so cute. Just another bathroom. Hello. And then comes the kitchen. So here's the kitchen. You know, an average kitchen. With the table, there's Rudy. And then, you know, the fridge, you know, regular kitchen stuff. And I guess this is like a little seating area that you can sit down, maybe watch some TV. And yeah, and then this is what I bought. This one I want to show you guys. So I got an Ensenada backpack. I thought it was really cute. Something simple. So I had to get my mom something. So I didn't know exactly what to get her, but I decided to get her a bag. So I got her this Ensenada bag. I thought it was really cute and colorful. I love the green and the blues and the turquoise. So it just says Ensenada, and that's how it looks in the back. So that's my little souvenirs. And now I'm gonna just show you the outside. So it kind of like connects. So this building connects with the other one that I showed you guys earlier. So this is like the outside of it, like the patio. So you walk out. And this is the little patio. They have so many plants. Look at how pretty. Oh, these gorgeous plants. Look at this. Oh my gosh. It's so pretty. This is actually a lemon tree right here. This one. This is a lemon tree. They like grow so many that right here, this little one is a papaya. And then, I don't know if you guys can on camera see that. That one's a tomato right there. That one. That's a tomato. And yeah, these are the plants. The patio. And yeah. Oh, and this is the other building that I showed you guys earlier right here. This is the entrance. So that is it for the tour. I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog / the little cinematics that I showed you throughout this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, like, and comment down below, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.